Are you tired of feeling limited by your current design software? Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, the right tool can make all the difference in turning your creative ideas into stunning visuals. Today, we're diving into the 5 best graphic design softwares that are taking the industry by storm, each offering unique features, incredible power, and endless possibilities. Stick around to find out which one could be your perfect match. Let's start with the heavyweight champion of graphic design software, Adobe Photoshop. When you think of graphic design, Photoshop is likely the first name that comes to mind. It's been the go-to software for designers for decades, and for good reason. Photoshop's versatility allows you to work on almost any design project imaginable. Whether you're creating detailed digital illustrations, enhancing photos, or designing website layouts, Photoshop can do it all. With an expansive library of tools like the pen tool, brushes, text effects, and filters, you have complete control over your designs. What truly sets Photoshop apart is its ability to handle raster graphics, allowing designers to work with images pixel by pixel. It also supports advanced features like 3D design, motion graphics, and smart objects, making it perfect for designers who want to push the limits of their creativity. However, one thing to keep in mind is that Photoshop can be intimidating for beginners. The learning curve is steep, and the interface can be overwhelming at first. But once you get the hang of it, you'll realize why Photoshop remains the industry standard for graphic design. Adobe also offers the Creative Cloud subscription, which gives you access to Photoshop as well as other creative tools like Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and After Effects, perfect for designers who want to expand their toolkit. Next up on our list is Adobe Illustrator, another titan in the world of graphic design. Unlike Photoshop, which works with raster graphics, Illustrator is a vector-based program. This means that it creates graphics using mathematical equations, which allows for designs that can be resized infinitely without losing quality. This feature makes Illustrator the ideal software for logo design, icons, and any other project that requires sharp lines and scalable artwork. Whether you're crafting detailed illustrations or simple icons, Illustrator's pen tool, Pathfinder, and shape building tools give you the flexibility to create intricate designs with precision. One of the key advantages of Illustrator is its compatibility with other design programs, especially within the Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem. If you're already familiar with Photoshop, you'll find it easy to transition to Illustrator, as the two share many similarities in their interface and features. Illustrator also excels in typography design, offering tools for customizing text, creating letter forms, and manipulating fonts in unique ways. This makes it a favorite among branding designers who want to create custom typefaces and logos that stand out. While Illustrator is powerful, it also requires time and practice to master, so it may take a while to fully unleash its potential. Moving on, we have a rising star in the world of graphic design software, Affinity Designer. If you're looking for a more affordable alternative to Adobe Illustrator without sacrificing quality, Affinity Designer is a fantastic option. This software has been gaining a lot of traction in recent years thanks to its robust set of tools and its one-time purchase model, which stands in stark contrast to Adobe's subscription-based pricing. Affinity Designer combines the best of both worlds by offering both vector and raster design capabilities. This makes it an incredibly versatile tool for a wide range of design projects, from logo creation to complex illustrations. The software's interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for beginners to dive right in while still offering advanced features for professionals. Affinity Designer is known for its powerful grid systems, precise vector editing tools, and seamless workflow between raster and vector design modes. It's a great option for designers who need to switch between the two mediums without leaving the program. One of the key reasons to choose Affinity Designer is its affordability. With no subscription fees, it's a one-time purchase that gives you access to all the tools and features without worrying about monthly payments. This makes it particularly appealing to freelancers and small business owners who are just starting and want to invest in a powerful design tool without breaking the bank. The software is available for both Mac and Windows, as well as an iPad version, which makes it accessible to a wider audience. It's safe to say that Affinity Designer is quickly becoming a serious contender in the graphic design software market, especially for those who want professional-level results at a fraction of the cost. Now, let's talk about a software that has been making waves in the illustration community: CorelDRAW. Known for its powerful vector graphic design tools, CorelDRAW has been around for decades and continues to be a popular choice for professionals working in fields like print design, fashion design, and advertising. CorelDRAW offers an intuitive interface with easy-to-use tools that make it ideal for creating complex illustrations, logos, brochures, and other graphic elements. What makes CorelDRAW unique is its focus on vector-based design, allowing you to create scalable, high-quality artwork that can be used across a variety of mediums. Whether you're designing for print or digital, CorelDRAW ensures that your graphics remain sharp and crisp no matter the size. The software also includes a wide range of templates, fonts, and clip art, which can speed up your design process. Its suite of advanced tools for color management, vector tracing, and layout design makes it an excellent choice for print designers who need precision and flexibility. CorelDRAW is especially popular among designers who work in the print industry because of its powerful color management tools and support for industry-standard file formats. One of the standout features of CorelDRAW is its multi-page support, which allows you to design several pages or versions of a project within the same file. This feature is particularly useful for creating multi-page documents like brochures, magazines, or catalogs. CorelDRAW's ability to handle large projects with ease makes it an invaluable tool for professional designers. While CorelDRAW's interface may feel a bit outdated compared to some modern design software, its powerful features and flexibility more than make up for it. Help you take your designs to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Digitize. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips and tech updates. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear